Hello everyone, by the way, I am Jubilin Perez Tejero. I am the first reporter of group 5. Our topic is all about documents in credit transaction. What is document transaction? A transaction is a formal record that captures the details of financial exchange between parties. The transaction, there are a purpose to authorize the lenders to conduct a credit investigation. Very important. There are 5 Cs of credit. Number 1 is characters, capacity, capital, collateral, and conditions. The documents that are used in the credit transaction could be classified in 2 majors. Number 1 is those used for credit evaluation to eventually approve and disapprove an applicant. Number 2 is to those used to document or approve credit transactions, documents required for credit evaluations. We remember that documents for credit evaluation is these are the very important and required ITR, income tax, BOD, Board of Director, Security and Exchange Commissions, Depth of Trade and Industry, and the next is social numbers, transfer cert of title, then bank statement or original cent of trade, then and FS, a financial statement. And also require the Department of Trade and Industry. And the next is a serial number. Next is a transfer certificate of title. And the next is there are proof of incomes. Next is proof of authorizations and other assets. And also, a credit evaluator would not be surprised if self-employed applicants' taxable income last year based in the ITR. The documents transaction also in credit is naposyay initial loans of credit documents. Less the credit application which must be fully accomplished in this credit app, and the application will indicate the authorizing of lender of credits investigations. These very essential documents, unauthorized credit inquiries prohibited by law. And then proof of income and financial stability, list of other assets, a corporate and big business applicants, a proof of authorizations, a proof of collateral. There are 5 proof of collateral. Number 1 is copies of tax declarations, a copies of tax receipts or current. Number 3 is proof of how property was required. Then 4 for agricultural property. Then certification from local courts that our property offered for collateral is not a subject or judicial dispute. The next is DTI and business permits. Then use fall of lenders for in ways. There are 4 ways. Number 1 is to determine the corporate life. Number 2 is to determine if the credit applications, to obtain more potential source of an information that incorporate listed and articles in incorporation. The next is to determine if the paid equality the corporate applicants. Documentation and instrument used for approved credit applications. So number 1 is fully accomplished credit card application form. This form contains essential details about you and your financial situation, and is example is include driver's license, passports, national cards, certificate of employment. This document verifies your employment status, income, and investment. Next is pay stub. Provide your pay stubs the last 30 days. This shows recent income. And next is financial statement for self-employed applicants. And also credit documents and instruments Are those especially used in credit transactions? Example of a credit document is a credit application. It does not confer. So that's all. Thank you.